Back to one of your reading now. The penultimate one. And I think Kevin Jenny's going to do again. Just something about the new year, she said.
Right,
Your pleasure, Jenny.
Right. Well, it's just after New Year, so this is a wee one of my dice. A good New Year to all. As around the fire we gather in that circle o' rain, and our thoughts begin to ponder on the days that new are gane. When we think about the hardships and our sorrows yin and all, don't forget life's wee bit blessings as the old year slips awa. And when bells are sweetly ringing, telling o' another year, to the ones wha weep in sorrow, drap a wee bit word o' cheer. And where friendships hae been broken, let us gie another call, and unite ourselves together wi' a good New Year to all.